Okay, today is Monday morning. The car has not started for 4 days, I think three days, because it was a National Day holiday for Singapore. And today I'm going to try to start it again after 4 days. So key in, check the voltage, 11.5, and let's go. Hey, that's one crank. A bit weak though, because I've not started for 4 days, but that is good. Right. So guys, this concludes the follow-up for the throttle body clean and MAF clean. So if you guys have a double crank issue that you never had before, so this is something that you can do. Clean the throttle body, clean the MAF, and your car should start with one crank. So today is 12th August, and thank you guys for looking at this or viewing this final update for this MAF clean. And thanks guys. We'll catch you back or see you in another video. Let me see what I can do. My daily life driving a Alfa Romeo 159. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Ciao.